To another video. Today we have the special buy of the day. We got some DeWalt tools, and then we got some clothing wear. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So you click on special offers, and then click on the special buy of the day. All right, we got the timer here on the right. So we got the first one. We got a nailer. We got an 18 gauge. Got an 18 gauge nailer, or 18 gauge 2-inch brat nailer with carrying case. $69. And then we got an inflator. Not a bad deal. Got a 20 volt max inflator, bonus lithium ion battery, plus 3 amp hour and a charger. Let's see here. Let's check how much this inflator is by itself. All right, so you're basically paying $59. $59 for a battery and a charger. I would definitely stay away from this deal. Unless you need a battery and a charger, like a kit. It's a nice inflator, don't get me wrong, but you know, obviously the price is not the best. All right, we got it says the smart home water monitor leak detector and automatic shut off, $589. Then we got another water monitor here, $244. I can't talk today. Got some more nailers sold out. Got some workwear here, up to 50% off of select. So you got a Caterpillars, black polyester. See, the thing is about these is that they don't tell you the sizes. I know some of these you can pick the sizes. You can pick them right here. But on the footwear, these are nice. On the footwear, you can't really see the price. If you're gonna have a smartphone, you can't see the price because they have it all the way to the end, or not the price, the size. So this one's the DeWalt Brownville men's medium polyester, $49.50, and then you got the Carhartt medium Canyon brown, $77.99. Got the Caterpillars men's bedrock polyester, $44.99. Oh, this one's really nice. Decor men's size medium, $49.99. You got the Carhartt double X large coffee cotton field coat. It's nice too. Timberland base plate, large maroon. You got the hat there, the beanie. This is nice too. You got the Timberland Pro hood, men's large Kirko. You got the work boots here. Some of these are really nice. I like this one. Says not. It doesn't have any rate. It's not rated yet. So that's one thing I like to look at about when I buy boots is the rating. I don't know how these are, but they look pretty nice. It doesn't tell you the size, so it only tells you the size right here. See, that's one thing I don't like, is that they tell you the size at the end. See, like here, you can't look at the size that they have because it's all the way to the end. So this is the 6-inch in height. 6-inch in height. And these are the bigger ones, the taller ones. Helly Hansen for $209. You got the Wolverines. They do only got 4 stars, not even 4 stars. Yeah, we used to use Wolverines where I used to work at. We didn't like them. They didn't last a long time. It could have been just the model, you know, the item. You got some Wolverine I-90 EPX men's 6-inch work boots, $112.50. So it look nice, but like I said, I'm not really into Wolverine. Got the Carhartt's men's rugged 6-inch composite toe work boots, $102. Then $97 for these. And then it's for these boots, $107. Wolverine, Carhartt, DeWalt's. I don't really like this design. That's yellow. Got DeWalt $90. Anyways, I'm not gonna keep going, guys. You guys pretty much know what's here, what's not. If you guys are interested, check it out at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys at the next one.